While fighting the human forces in Ashenvale, Grom and his warriors drank Manaroth's blood a second time. They became demon-possessed, wreaking havoc until Thrall intervened. Realizing his grave mistake, Grom sought redemption. Together with Thrall, he confronted Manaroth. In a final legendary battle, Grom sacrificed himself to slay Manaroth, shattering the blood curse over the Orcish race. Legacy Grom's son, Garrosh Hellscream, would later emerge in World of Warcraft. Burdened by his father's legacy, Garrosh sought to prove himself by leading the Horde to conquest, ultimately falling into tyranny. Despite the darkness in his story, Grommash Hellscream is remembered as a tragic hero, a warrior who fell to corruption, but found redemption through sacrifice.